Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the bottom toolbar and refresh button function in the marine traffic application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down at the tools section, click on the settings button. And then click on the map options button. And at the very top, look for the bottom toolbar and refresh button function, and in order to enable it, just click on the white circle next to it, and once it turned blue, this function is enabled and the toolbar appeared at the bottom of the page. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.